Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 NEC electronically with the IRS. First, understand that Form 1099 NEC is used to report non-employee compensation, typically for payments of $600 or more to independent contractors. Many businesses are required to file these forms electronically, which streamlines the process and helps avoid common mistakes. Let's get started with the initial preparation steps. Before you begin the electronic filing process, gather all essential information for each payee. This includes their full name, complete address, and their taxpayer identification number, which is usually a social security number or employer identification number. Double-check all payment amounts to ensure they are correct. Finally, choose an IRS-approved e-file provider or software to facilitate your submission. Once your data is prepared and you have selected an e-file provider, you will input all the necessary information into their system. This typically involves entering payee details and compensation amounts into the designated fields. Take your time to meticulously review every piece of data for any errors or omissions. After confirming accuracy, you can then securely transmit your completed Form 1099 NEC to the IRS. After successfully submitting your forms, you will receive an IRS confirmation. It is crucial to save this confirmation for your records as proof of filing. Remember to also provide copies of Form 1099 NEC to all your payees by the deadline, typically January 31st. This ensures they have the necessary documentation for their own tax filings. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.